So let's start creating the applications in Salesforce. Before that, we should know what is a Salesforce application. Salesforce applications is kind of collection of objects or collection of tabs. Here, collection of objects is nothing but database tables, and collection of tabs is nothing but there is a link for the database tables, which is nothing but tabs. And we'll see more on objects and tabs in upcoming sessions. So applications where you can use it to manage the records which is related to the specific applications. And there are two types of applications available in Salesforce. One is standard and one is custom. The standard applications which is already given by Salesforce, and the custom applications, if you wanted to use your own application, you can go ahead and create it. So let's see some practical use cases on how to create applications in Salesforce. And so this is the home page of Salesforce. If you wanted to see the existing applications, you need to click this app launcher. And if you select view all, where you can see the standard applications given by Salesforce service, sales, and those are the standard applications given by Salesforce. Here you can notice there is a test which is created by me, and this is called as a custom application. So we'll just see the practical demo how to create a custom application. So for that, you need to search for applications. So where you can find a app manager. So the moment you select the app manager, you will get a UI over here where you can create a new Lightning app or new connected app. So here we are going to create a new Lightning app. So we'll see later on what is a new connected app. So if you wanted to create a custom application, you just need to select the new Lightning app, and there you need to provide the application name. So application name, I'm just giving something called University Management, or you can give any name whatever you want. So once you just fill this name, this developer name will be auto-populated by the system. If you wanted to give more description about the application, you can enter and fill it here. And this is the place where you can select your logo, or if you wanted to do any branding of a particular application, you can go ahead and upload in this page. By selecting this, you can upload the images. So once you do that, you need to go ahead and select the next button. So here there are two types of things. One is standard navigation and one is custom navigation. And here you can see setup and service setup. So service setup, which is something different on console applications. We can talk about service setup and navigation later. So right now we are going to select the standard navigation, and this is just a setup. And here, the form factors, you can select both desktop and phone, which can be support in both desktops or tabs or phones everywhere. After that, you need to select next. So make this one as a default and select next. So these are the standard objects which is provided by Salesforce. So we can talk more about objects in the upcoming sessions. For time being, I'm just going to add this account object. So this account object, I told you that account object is nothing but a standard object. It's kind of data table, which is standard data table provided by Salesforce. So after selecting the accounts, you can select next, and there is a profile selection when you're creating the application. By default, Salesforce is assigned as a system admin profile. So we can talk about the profiles also later in sessions. For time being, you can select a system administrator. After that, you need to select save and finish. So now I'm again selecting the app launcher and I'm selecting view all. So here you can see the Innosity management. I'm opening the application which is created by me, and here you can see the accounts table which I have created is actually added in the tab place. So this is how you need to select the account object. And if you select new account where you can create new records, so this creation of records objects tabs we can see in the upcoming session. So this is the session how we need to create an application in Salesforce. Thanks for watching.